Class 8, Unit 7. Getting started. Study the following pictures and predict the weather conditions for the following places. For Dading, the weather will be, look at the picture of sun. So weather will be sunny in Dading. In Dankuta, the weather will be rainy. Look, clouds and water is falling. Hence, it's for Dankuda, the weather will be rainy. And then Taplejung, see the picture again. Weather forecast. Sun and then clouds. So partly cloudy. In Bajang, the weather will be snowy. Look at this. Snow is falling down. It's snowing. So, for Bajang, the weather will be snowy. For Kaski, look at this. Thundering. So the weather will be stormy. And then Dang, the weather will be cloudy. See the picture. The weather will be cloudy in Dang. Reading 1. Answer these questions. A. Why do we need to know what the weather will be like in our location? Why do we need to know what the weather will be like in our location? So we need to know what the weather will be like in our location in order to prepare ourselves according to the weather. Example, to dress according to the weather, to plan any event according to the weather. For examples, in order to go picnic, we need to know what the weather will be like so we can plan our day. Or going outing, we need to know the weather. For farmers, they need to know what is the best time to plant crops. They need to prepare changes caused by the weather condition. If we are tourists, then we need to know about the weather condition in order to have safety. Like in order to prepare ourselves for intense weather, in order to save our lives, we need to know what the weather will be like in our location. There are several reasons. Question B. What information is shown in the boxes below? What information is shown in the boxes below? Let us see the box. Well, the information regarding temperature and rainfall, it means precipitation. The information regarding temperature and precipitation is shown in the box below. The information regarding temperature and precipitation is shown in the box. There is only one box. In the box below. And then down. You know these words: forecast, moderate, thunder and lightning, occur, rainfall, moderate. We are going to fill the blanks with these words in our next activity. So let's do that. Question A. Find the words from the text to complete these sentences. A. There was a violent storm with thunder and of course lightning. Thunder and lightning yesterday. This what is your answer? Lightning. Thunder and lightning. There was a violent storm with thunder and lightning yesterday. Question B. Nepal measures an average annual dash of 10 centimeter, and the answer is rainfall. You can see this. There is no centimeter or cm in the passage. However, you can see mm here. So centimeter, millimeter go with rainfall. So our answer is rainfall. So what was the question again? Let me recall. Nepal measures an average annual rainfall of 10 cm. Question C. The weather in Kathmandu is dash dash dash. It is neither too hot nor too cold. So neither hot nor cold, it means moderate. This is our answer. Moderate. Neither too hot nor too cold, or moderate. Neither too hot nor cold, or neither too hot nor cold. Question D. When exactly did the incident occur? This word is your answer. Occur. It means happen. When exactly did the incident occur? E. The weather dash says it will be sunny tomorrow. Answer is the weather forecast. The weather forecast says it will be sunny tomorrow. And your answer is over here, forecast. The weather forecast says it will be sunny tomorrow. Question B. Study the weather information in the text and tick the correct answers. First one. Which place was the hottest yesterday? The hottest yesterday according to the chart. Let us see the chart. It says hottest. So look at this, maximum temperature, and there is sign as well. So maximum temperature, Nepal 28, Nepalganj 36, Grade-8 31, 27. So this one is the maximum, 36.6. So our answer is Nepalganj. Our correct answer, Nepalganj. We have to tick the correct answer, that is Nepalganj. Second, which place was the coldest yesterday according to the chart? The coldest. Question says the coldest, so we will go to minimum temperature, and this is minimum temperature. So minimum 20, this one 20.4. We have another here 20.4, but it says the coldest. So between these two, which one is the coldest place you think? Let us go to the first place. So our first place, the number one place is Dipayal. So our answer will be Dipayal. Answer, the correct answer, Dipayal. Again, first also third one, second also third one. Third question. Which places, remember this, places, it says places, not only place, so more than one answer could be there. Which places did not have a rainfall yesterday according to the chart? Among these three places, Janakpur, Biratnagar, Nepalganj. Let us see the chart again. Rainfall, no rainfall, 0.0, 0.0, 0.0. So there are three places in the chart. First one Nepalganj, Gorahi, and then Janakpur. Let us see. Janakpur, Biratnagar, Nepalganj. These are the three options. Biratnagar, there was rainfall in Biratnagar, so this option is removed. So left 2. Janakpur, there was no rainfall. Nepalganj, there was no rainfall. So it says which places. So our answers, first Janakpur, then Nepalganj. These two places did not have rainfall yesterday according to the chart. Remember, we have two answers. First Janakpur, second one Nepalganj, because the question says which places. It does not say which place, it says which places. places did not have rainfall yesterday according to the chart. Fourth question. What will the weather be like today in the hilly regions? So, what will the weather be like today? Our keywords today, hilly regions. Hilly regions. Let us see the passage. Your answer is in the passage, not in the chart. Let's see. Our keywords were today and then hilly regions. Hilly regions. So we will read from the full step. Over here, this one is full step. So we will read from light to moderate rain with thunder and light. Oh, we have found our answer. Thunder and lightning will occur at many places in the hilly regions. Thunder and lightning is our answer. Third option again, thunder and lightning. Question C. Take turns in pairs and read the weather forecast from the text. Act like a newsreader. You take turn yourself, read in pairs, acting like a newsreader. I'll do the pronunciation for you. Pronunciation. Learn to pronounce these phrases used in weather forecast. Light rain, light rain. Mainly fair, mainly fair. Windy, windy. Moderate rain, moderate rain. Mostly cloudy, mostly cloudy. Partly cloudy, partly cloudy. Heavy rainfall, heavy rainfall. Generally cloudy, generally cloudy. Grammar 1. Study these sentences and notice the degree of certainty will be going to express. A. Look at those boys playing football. They are going to break the window. More certain. It is more likely for the boys to break the window because they are playing football. B. The sky is getting darker and darker. It's going to rain. So, going to rain. This one also more certain because there is sign. There is indication. The sky is getting darker and darker. So, it is more likely to rain. Question C. I think he will win the next election. Less certain. You only think. Think. Less certain. Less likely to win the election for him. Question D. It is monsoon. It will rain tomorrow. Less certain. It is less certain. Question B. Complete the sentences with will or be going to. First, you have to understand this. Less certain, then use will. More certain, then use going to. This B means is, am, are, was, were. So, more certain, like if the action is already planned, then use going to. If action is recent, just happened, then use be going to. If there is any indications or signs or evidences, then use going to. Well, these questions are already done. Let me explain one by one. A. Did you buy some bread? Did you? Past tense. Oh no, I forgot to buy it. I will go back to buy some. So he's saying that he will go. He's just saying that he will go to buy. It is less certain that he will go. He might go, he might not go. Question B. A. Why have you put on these boots? Why have you put on these boots? Look at this have. Have you put on? Recent action. And then B replied saying, I am going to walk on the snow. Why? Because have, look at this have. This have is a recent action. Recent action. That's why. Question B. If I meet him, I will tell him the good news. if. If. This is conditional sentence. If I meet him, then I will tell him the good news. I'm not sure if I meet him or not. Just in case if I meet, then I will tell. So, will. Question D. About a book. Tonight I am going to stay at home and start reading it. So look at this. I have bought. Just purchased the book. So I'm going to stay at home and start reading it. Question E. Look at those dark clouds. It is going to rain soon. So there is indication. The clouds are dark. This is the sign. So we can say it is going to rain soon. I am going to meet her next week. It's been my plan. So I said if there is plan, then we use going to. I am going to meet her next week. It's been my plan for a long time. Question G. A. They say the weather will be awful tomorrow. Awful tomorrow. B says, really? In that case, I will cancel the trip. This is less certain. In that case, if the weather is awful tomorrow, then I will cancel the trip. If the weather is not awful, then I will not cancel the trip. So there is condition. That's why this is less certain. Hence, we will use will. So she is saying, I know. I heard the news. I am going to spend the whole day reading books. So she believes this weather forecast. So she knew. She heard. So she is going to spend the whole day reading books.